Imagine listing a property on Airbnb, and waking up to see your calendar completely filled with bookings. No paid ads, no marketing budget, no complicated funnels, just organic bookings rolling in week after week. Sounds impossible, right? But thousands of hosts are doing exactly this on Airbnb, and the truth is, the platform itself is designed to reward listings that know how to play the algorithm correctly. Most new hosts assume they need to spend money on ads, promotions, or social media marketing to get bookings. But in reality, the biggest driver of bookings on Airbnb isn't ads at all. It's visibility inside the Airbnb search algorithm. If your listing ranks higher when travelers search for places to stay, you'll naturally get more clicks, more inquiries, and ultimately more bookings. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can get fully booked on Airbnb without spending a single dollar on ads. We'll go step by step through the strategies that successful hosts use to rank higher in search, attract more guests, and maximize occupancy. And if you implement even a few of these techniques, your listing can start getting dramatically more attention. Let's start with the most important concept you need to understand. Airbnb is essentially a search engine for accommodations. Just like people search for information on Google or watch content on YouTube, travelers search for places to stay on Airbnb. And when they do, Airbnb decides which listings appear first. The higher your listing appears in those search results, the more likely travelers are to click on it. And the more clicks you get, the more bookings you receive. This means the real goal isn't just creating a listing. The goal is optimizing your listing so the Airbnb algorithm pushes it to the top of search results. The first factor that heavily influences this ranking is your listing's click-through rate. In simple terms, when travelers scroll through search results, do they click on your property or someone else's? If lots of people click your listing, Airbnb assumes travelers find it appealing, and the platform will show it to even more people. And this is where your cover photo becomes incredibly important. Your first photo is essentially your listing's billboard. It's the image travelers see before they decide whether to click. If that image doesn't stand out instantly, your listing will get buried beneath hundreds of others. Successful hosts often invest time in staging their space before taking photos. Bright natural lighting, clean spaces, and visually striking compositions can dramatically increase clicks. A cozy reading nook near a window, a stylish bedroom setup, or a scenic balcony view can instantly capture attention while someone scrolls through dozens of listings. Think about it this way: if two listings have similar prices and locations, travelers will almost always click the one with the better photo. Once someone clicks your listing, the next thing that determines whether they book is your title. Many hosts make the mistake of writing very generic titles like "nice apartment in city center" or "cozy room for rent." The problem is that these titles don't create curiosity or highlight what makes the property unique. The highest performing listings often include very specific details in the title. For example, mentioning a skyline view, proximity to attractions, unique architecture, or standout amenities immediately signals value to potential guests. This is powerful because travelers usually skim dozens of listings quickly. A compelling title makes them pause and explore further. Now here's something many hosts don't realize: Airbnb rewards new listings with temporary visibility. When you first publish a property on Airbnb, the platform often gives it a short, new listing boost. This means your property may appear higher in search results for a limited period of time. This early window is extremely important because the performance of your listing during this phase can strongly influence how it ranks later. If your listing receives clicks, inquiries, and bookings during this boost period, the algorithm interprets it as a desirable listing and continues promoting it. But if very few guests interact with it during this time, the listing can quickly sink in search rankings. That's why many experienced hosts intentionally price their property slightly lower during the first few weeks. Lower pricing attracts the first bookings, which generates reviews and activity. And once a listing has several positive reviews, its credibility skyrockets. Reviews are one of the strongest trust signals on the entire platform. When travelers compare two properties, they almost always choose the one with better reviews, even if it's slightly more expensive. This means your first few guests are incredibly valuable. Providing an exceptional experience for those early bookings can lead to glowing reviews that permanently improve your listing's performance. And those reviews don't just influence guests, they influence the Airbnb algorithm as well. Listings with consistently high ratings and positive guest feedback are much more likely to appear near the top of search results. In other words, great hospitality directly translates into better visibility. Another major ranking factor that many hosts overlook is response speed. Airbnb tracks how quickly hosts respond to guest inquiries and booking requests. Hosts who reply quickly signal reliability and professionalism to the platform. Fast responses increase your chances of appearing higher in search results because the platform wants guests to have a smooth booking experience. If travelers send a message and wait hours for a reply, they may book somewhere else. That's why many successful hosts enable quick replies or use the Airbnb mobile app to respond to guests immediately. When you combine strong photos, compelling titles, strategic pricing, early reviews, and fast responses, something interesting starts to happen. Your listing begins building momentum within the Airbnb ecosystem. More visibility leads to more clicks. More clicks lead to more bookings. And more bookings push your listing even higher in the rankings. It's essentially a positive feedback loop. And best part is that once this momentum starts, many hosts find their calendars filling up consistently without spending any money on advertising. But there's another powerful strategy that many hosts completely ignore, one that can dramatically increase bookings even if your property is located in a competitive market. Now let's talk about one of the most overlooked strategies that can dramatically increase your bookings without spending a single dollar on ads: pricing psychology. Most new hosts simply pick a price they think is reasonable and leave it there for months. But the reality is that pricing on Airbnb works very differently. The platform constantly favors listings that appear competitive and attractive compared to similar properties nearby. When travelers search for a place to stay, Airbnb automatically shows them several listings side by side. Guests immediately start comparing prices, ratings, photos, and amenities. If your property is even slightly overpriced compared to similar listings in your area, many travelers will simply scroll past it. This doesn't mean you need to permanently charge lower prices. The strategy is to use dynamic pricing to stay competitive depending on demand. For example, weekdays often have lower demand in many cities, while weekends and holidays are much busier. If you slightly lower your weekday prices, your listing becomes more attractive to remote workers, short business travelers, or couples planning quick getaways. At the same time, you can raise prices during peak demand periods when travelers are actively searching for accommodations. This strategy increases both occupancy and revenue over time. But pricing isn't the only thing that influences Airbnb's ranking system. Availability also plays a surprisingly important role. The platform tends to promote listings that give guests more booking flexibility. If your calendar is blocked for long periods or you require very long minimum stays, Airbnb has fewer opportunities to show your listing to travelers. That's why many successful hosts keep their calendars open for as many dates as possible. Allowing shorter stays, especially 1 or 2 nights, can dramatically increase visibility because your listing appears in more searches. Think about how travelers actually plan trips. Some people are booking vacations months in advance, while others are searching for a place just a few days before arrival. If your calendar is flexible, your listing can capture both types of travelers. Another incredibly powerful feature you should take advantage of is instant booking. When guests search for accommodations on Airbnb, many of them filter results to show only listings that allow instant booking. This allows them to reserve a property immediately without waiting for host approval. If your listing doesn't support instant booking, you automatically disappear from those filtered results. That means a huge portion of potential guests will never even see your property. Enabling instant booking signals to the platform that you're ready to host guests quickly and reliably. Because of this, Airbnb often gives these listings more visibility in search results. Now let's talk about another factor that can quietly boost your bookings: your listing description. Many hosts treat their description like a simple list of features, but the best performing listings actually tell a story. When travelers read your description, they should be able to imagine what it feels like to stay there. Instead of simply saying, 2-bedroom apartment with balcony, a more engaging description might paint a picture of sipping morning coffee while watching the sunrise, relaxing in a cozy living room after a day of exploring the city, or enjoying a peaceful evening on a quiet balcony. This kind of storytelling creates an emotional connection with potential guests, making your listing feel more memorable among dozens of options. Amenities are another factor that can significantly impact how often your property appears in search results. Guests frequently filter listings based on specific amenities they need. Some travelers want high-speed Wi-Fi for remote work, others need a kitchen for longer stays, and many guests specifically look for features like free parking or self-check-in. The more relevant amenities you include in your listing, the more search filters your property can appear under. This automatically increases your visibility without any advertising. Now here's something that many hosts underestimate: guest experience. Airbnb's entire ecosystem is built around trust. The platform wants guests to have great experiences because satisfied guests come back and continue using the platform. This means hosts who consistently provide excellent stays are heavily rewarded. Small details can make a huge difference. Cleanliness, clear communication, easy check-in instructions, and thoughtful touches like local recommendations can leave a strong impression on guests. And when guests leave glowing reviews, your listing gains something incredibly powerful: social proof. Imagine two listings with similar prices and locations. One has 3 reviews with an average rating of 4.5 stars. The other has 50 reviews with a rating of 4.9 stars. Most travelers will instantly trust the second listing. Over time, these reviews compound. As your listing gains more positive feedback, it naturally attracts more bookings. More bookings lead to more reviews, and the cycle continues. This is exactly how many hosts eventually reach the point where their calendars stay almost completely full. At this stage, the Airbnb algorithm starts working in your favor. The platform recognizes that guests consistently choose your listing and have great experiences there. So it keeps showing your property to more travelers. And suddenly something interesting happens. You're no longer chasing bookings, bookings are coming to you. No paid ads, no expensive marketing campaigns, just a well-optimized listing performing exactly the way the platform is designed to reward. So if you remember one key idea from this video, it's this: success on Airbnb isn't about spending money on ads. It's about understanding how the platform works and aligning your listing with what both guests and the algorithm want. When you combine great photos, compelling titles, competitive pricing, flexible availability, strong amenities, fast responses, and exceptional guest experiences, your listing begins building unstoppable momentum. And that momentum is what turns a simple property listing into a fully booked Airbnb calendar. If you apply these strategies consistently, you may be surprised how quickly your bookings start to grow, because the hosts who truly understand the platform aren't relying on advertising at all. They're simply letting the system work in their favor.